Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Simply You Makeup. Today's video is, well, before we talk about it, have you noticed that anytime, any single time you decide to sit down and record a video, there are all kinds of noise going on. I mean, noise. Don't ask me where they come from. I don't know. It's like all of a sudden the truck have to pass, the lawnmower people shows up. It's just a lot of noise. But there is nothing I can do about that. So if you do hear noise in my new location, which is downstairs, you can hear noise across the lake when they cut the grass. People are getting their roofs done, people are getting their roof cleaned, the truck passes right here. So any noise you hear in my video, please ignore it. This is a part of life and we're just gonna roll with it. Now, back to today's video. I am close because I was asked by Tanya's Beauty Box. She has a YouTube channel, go check her out. She's a very nice person. She wanted me to do a video showing her how to apply lashes. Because you know we all are struggling with this lash thing. So I'm going to do a short video, just lashes. So I'm sitting close because I want you to see. I am using the Glue by Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner. I got that in my BoxyCharm. And I'm also going to use the BoxyCharm lashes because I'm liking it. It's called Camera Unique Beauty. And those are the lashes. They are really, really cool. I like it, I must say. So this is what they look like. I have this towel over me. I can take it out. I sit here, sometimes I get cold, so I put it over me. Then I get hot, then I take it off. It's this menopause kind of stuff, you know. If you have menopause, you know what I mean. If you know somebody going through menopause, you know what I mean. It's just hot and cold, you know. In a little bit more so you can see my eyes. Okay, we'll zoom to the max. So I'm gonna take, I love these pencil glue, they're easy. So I'm gonna take this, no glasses on, and I'm bringing my lashes down. I have very hooded eyes, so I tend to make my line wider. And as you can see, I have no makeup on, so as you can see, I have no makeup on. It's a line like this. When you put your lashes on, you want the shortest part to be on the inner side of your eye, or else if you put the longer side, it looks funny and it will irritate you. So I always start in the end. Always, because my eyes are hooded and I want to make sure that I'm not too far up front. So I always start in the end first. And that is how I put my lashes on when I do put them on. Right? And then I take one of these little spoolies and I go underneath to bring my lashes to match. Sometimes I put mascara, sometimes I don't. Okay, and now we can see that, oh, if your band is light, you take your glue or your eyeliner and you dab on it. Sometimes if I put my head too far down, the camera focuses differently. So I hope this is coming out good. So I put the glue, smaller side. If you notice, this is shorter, and if you notice, the outer is longer. One side is shorter, one side is longer. So I want a shorter side on the inner corner of my eye. So again, I always start to the end of my eye because that will help not go too far on the inner corner of my eyes. Way too far down. Okay. Then I'm done. Just like that. So I'm not too far in the corner. I like to start out here first, out the corner. So that gives me enough space so I know I'm not going too close to the inner corner so it won't irritate me. And this is it. This is the look. Not the look. These are the lashes. On the side, on the side, upside down, that. It's nice. I like it. So, Tanya's Beauty Box, I hope you like. I hope I demonstrated it okay for you. Just to make that a little bit more visible so you can see it, I will just do this. You can see better. I have color on here. This is it. I put color, so maybe you can see the lashes better now. Sideways, 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 that. This is everything for my lashes. I put two different colors so you can see, but I love them. They are cute. Everyone go visit Tanya's Beauty Box. She has a channel on YouTube. This is Simply You Makeup saying triumph in whatever you do. Triumph is the word for today. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I will see you in another video. This is just an eyelash video to show Tanya's Beauty Box, how to put the eyelashes. Always start at the end and come back. So when if you go too far this way, then you might not have space here, but if you start at the end here, you'll be fine on this side. Again, I am saying bye with my eyelashes. Bye, 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 everyone. Bye, 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 bye with my eyelashes. Yeah. See ya.